Most drivers destroy their tires without even realizing it. They do it every single day, on every single trip, and then wonder why their tread is gone at 20,000 miles instead of 50,000. If you want your tires to last, drive safer, and avoid spending hundreds on premature replacements, you must avoid the habits we're breaking down right now. First, driving with the wrong tire pressure is the #1 tire killer. Underinflated tires overheat, flex too much, and wear the outer shoulders rapidly. Overinflated tires wear the center tread and lose road grip. Every month, temperature changes alone can swing pressure by 4 to 6 psi, which is enough to shorten tire life significantly. Always check pressure when the tires are cold, and use the manufacturer's recommended psi, not the number written on the tire sidewall, which is only a maximum limit. Second, ignoring wheel alignment issues destroys tires quickly and quietly. If your car pulls slightly left or right, or your steering wheel sits off-center, your alignment is already out. Even a small misalignment increases friction, creates diagonal wear patterns, and can take thousands of miles off a tire's lifespan. An alignment check once or twice a year is far cheaper than a new set of tires. Third, hard acceleration and aggressive braking shred tires faster than anything else. Rapid starts spin the tire before it fully grips, causing uneven patch wear. Hard braking drags the rubber, creating flat spots and generating intense heat. Smooth acceleration and steady braking not only extend tire life, but also save fuel and reduce stress on suspension components. Fourth, turning your wheels when the car is not moving grinds the tread against the pavement and adds unnecessary strain to the steering system. A lot of drivers do this while parking, and honestly, it gradually chews up the tire's outer edges. Always let the car roll just a bit while turning the wheel to protect both the tire and the steering rack. Fifth, skipping tire rotations is a massive mistake. Your front and rear tires wear differently because of weight distribution, your driving style, and, well, the type of drivetrain your car uses. Rotating them every 5 to 7,000 miles ensures all 4 tires wear evenly, pretty much doubling their usable life. Tires replaced in pairs or sets are always safer and more predictable than mixing half-worn ones. Sixth, driving with worn suspension parts accelerates tire damage. Bad shocks or struts cause the tire to bounce instead of staying planted, which, creates cupping, scalloping, and vibration. Even a slightly weak shock can ruin a tire before the tread itself is worn out. If your car feels bouncy, unstable, or bottoms out easily, it's a good idea to have the suspension inspected. Seventh, carrying unnecessary weight in your car increases tire load and generates more heat at highway speeds. This additional stress breaks down the internal structure of the tire and causes the shoulders to wear faster. So, clean out the trunk, remove heavy tools you don't need, and avoid roof racks unless absolutely necessary. Weight reduction is honestly one of the easiest ways to protect your tires. Eighth, hitting potholes, curbs, and road debris is another silent tire killer. Even if the tire doesn't blow immediately, the internal belts may weaken, creating sidewall bubbles or hidden structural failures. If you hit something hard, make sure to check the tire the same day. A sidewall bulge means the tire is unsafe to drive on and, yeah, it must be replaced immediately. Ninth, driving at high speeds for long periods adds extreme heat to your tires. Rubber breaks down when overheated, and high-speed cruising makes that happen much faster. Keeping your speed reasonable and using the correct tire speed rating helps maintain long-term durability. Finally, ignoring small warning signs guarantees early failure. Vibrations, humming noises, uneven tread blocks, or feathered edges are the tire's way of telling you something is wrong. The earlier you diagnose the cause, pressure, alignment, rotation, or suspension, the more money you save. If you follow these steps, your tires will last dramatically longer, your car will handle better, and you'll avoid the dangerous situations that many drivers face because of worn or weakened tires. If this helped you, subscribe to Gear Specs. It motivates me to keep producing practical, money-saving car advice just like this, and it helps the channel reach monetization goals. Your support truly means a lot.